Warm greetings from Ramli. I, Samriddhi Bora,
and I, Gursman Kaur, are here with the news bulletin for the month of May. On 1st May, on the occasion of Labour's Day, an assembly was conducted in the Mary Ward Hall. Under the able guidance of Ms. Madhukish, the students of class 7B presented a beautiful and meaningful prayer service. The program commenced with the lighting of the diyas by our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, and our manager, Reverend Sister Shiva. The highlight of the event was the dance drama, which depicted the spirit of dedication and sacrifice of a father in the life of his children.
रुको रुको मैं भी स्कूल चलूंगी मुझे भी पढ़ना है पापा पापा मुझे भी पढ़ना है
मैं और भी मेहनत करूंगा अपने बच्चे के लिए
कर जुनून हो सर में तेरे और अंतर में हो विश्वास फिर ठोकर और ठुकराने का होगा कहां तुम्हें एहसास मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो झुकना होगा दुनिया तुमको विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो अड़े रहो
The celebration of the event continued with various entertainment programs, adding to the festive atmosphere. Reverend Sister Manjusha gave an inspiring speech encapsulating the spirit of Labour's Day.
हमारा स्कूल हमारा संस्था एक गाड़ी के समान है हमारी संस्था एक गाड़ी के समान है और आप लोग इस गाड़ी की पहिया है आप लोग इस गाड़ी की पहिया है जिसके बिना हम नहीं चल सकते जो भी तारीफ हमें मिलता है वो आपके कारण है इसलिए आपको मन लगा के लगन के साथ कठिन परिश्रम जैसे आप करते आ रहे हैं वैसे करना है रामनी परिवार की ओर से मैं आप सभी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी क्योंकि आपके बिना हमारा जो भी काम है वो अधूरा ही रह जाता है इसलिए हम आप सभी को विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से बधाइयां देना चाहूंगी और धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी
On 4th May, the students of Ramli ran with all their might and secured the positions of first, second and third. The trophies and medals of the numerous events were given by Reverend Sister Manjusha, Reverend Sister Shiva, Sister Shirley and Sister Juliana. The students stood tall and received the reward of their hard work.
On 11th May, the field of Ramli echoed with the zealous applauses of the spectators from our neighboring schools. The grand sports day was commenced by our Melody School Band, escorting the chief guest of the event, Captain Chandru Vijay Negi and his wife, Mrs. Samhita Negi. The harmonious rhythm of the band swayed into the precision of the march past, the various meticulously choreographed beatings, and the marvelous house pyramids. After the grand finale, where all the Ramiites united as one, they fell into the order of merit for the final march past. The merit was led by Saint Anne, followed by Saint Agnes, Saint Teresa, and Saint Catherine.
Amazing, astonishing, अद्भुत। I feel that I'm watching a blockbuster movie, and I have not smiled so much. I don't think so for how long. My cheeks are hurting. Throughout the 2.5 hours, I was all smiles, and I'm sure everyone here watching you had the same feeling.
On 12th May, an inter-school golf tournament was held in Raj Bhavan, where our school won the inter-school Governor's Runner-Up Trophy. Farah Javed won the Runner-Up Prize in Under 15 category, and Pragya Joshi won the Runner-Up Prize in Under 12 category. It was a proud moment for our school and students to receive this trophy from our district magistrate, Miss Vandana Singh. Everyone appreciated the performance of our students. The participants for the tournament were Gursimran Kaur, Nikunj Agarwal, Farah Javed and Pragya Joshi.
On 15th May 2024, the Junior School of Ramley conducted an adrenaline-packed track event in which the students of classes LKG to 5 participated with utmost enthusiasm. Their cheerful smiles definitely lightened up the event.
Greetings, respected chief guest, guest of honor, distinguished guests, and dear parents. Sports play a vital role in our lives. They not only keep us physically fit, but also teach us important life lessons such as teamwork, perseverance, and sportsmanship. It is through sports that we learn to push our limits, overcome challenges, and achieve our goals. Our Sports Day is a celebration of the spirit of sportsmanship and athleticism. On behalf of the school management, I, Trisha Bohra, stand here to extend our heartfelt invitation to you all to grace our upcoming Sports Day event at St. Mary's Convent College, Nainital. The event will be held on 17th May 2024 at 9 a.m. on our school ground. Your presence as our distinguished guests at the event would undoubtedly inspire and motivate our participants. We eagerly anticipate the pleasure of hosting you at our Sports Day event. Warm regards, Trisha Bohra, St. Mary's Convent College, Nainital.
The hard work, the scoldings, the meetings, the victories, and memories all come together on the most awaited day. Sports Day for year 2024 to 2025. On 17th May, the field of Ramley was filled with the chatter of the excited parents who were waiting to see their wards participate in the annual Sports Day. Our chief guest, Uplabdhi Nidhi, a proud alumna and a trailblazer, graced us with her presence. Currently a senior pilot with Vistara Airlines, her journey from our classrooms to the skies is truly inspiring. We were equally delighted to have Ms. Mridu Sahai, the visionary founder of Design Village, as our guest of honor. Her innovative spirit and creative achievements in the design world served us as a powerful reminder of the heights our alumni can achieve. The chief guest and the guest of honor were escorted by the school cabinet. Following the tradition, the chief guest was escorted by the school band. The program commenced with the torch bearing, followed by the captain's march past of the year 2024 to 25. The captains then joined their houses for the marching of classes 6 to 12. They were applauded enthusiastically by the audience. The various drills were then presented. The PTs, the tug-of-war, won the heart of everyone present there. Next in line were the pyramids. They were followed by the grand finale, where the entire school comes together. After this, the march past in the order of merit was led by the greens, followed by reds, blues and yellows respectively. Our chief guest then gave away the prizes and addressed the school.
On 17th May, after an exciting day, the boarders went home for their summer break.
On 18th of May, St. Joseph College held the annual sports day. Ramni secured the first position in the inter-school relay. The participants were Ritika Rawat, Himanshi Deda, Mirja Chandra and Paradvish. On 24th May, one of our track club member, Cheshta Adhikari, was appointed as the Committee Chair Environment 2024-25 at district level. Congratulations, Cheshta, for your achievement.
That's all from the Rami News Bulletin. We will be back with Rami News for the month of June.